all, I just wanted to jump on here and do a quick video for you to let you know that we're nearing the end of the semester. It's hard to believe we are already to that end game, to that end zone. We're almost finished. Um, Thank you all so much for all of your hard work this semester. Keep up the good work and the final push to the end. I wanted to make sure that you guys get everything done in your ALEKS, so please stay on top of those ALEKS assignments. Make sure you get those all turned in. Additionally, if you have anything outstanding assignments within Blackboard, please get those turned in so that I can get them graded and keep your grades up to date. As you know, this class is a credit, no credit class. As long as you get above a 71% and in the class and a 60 on the final exam or better, you will get credit for this class. So please make sure that you're reviewing for that final and that you are prepared. If you have any questions leading up to the final, please reach out to me. I do have my office hours as I have all semester. You can get through to me through the Collaborate on Blackboard. I open them up. I sit there the entire time, so just pop on if you've got any last minute questions. If my office hours for some reason don't work for you, please send me an email and we can schedule another time that I can meet with you to help you. I hope all of you are successful at the end of this semester and getting through all of this. I really hope that all the information that I have posted throughout this semester has been helpful to you and that you've been able to use it and it's helped you. If you have any feedback for me, please feel free to send me an email and let me know. This is my first semester teaching online for CNM, and obviously there's definitely some learning curves for me. So if there's anything that you have suggestions or stuff that would have helped you more, please feel free to share that with me. I want to continue to improve and help all of my students be successful in this. I wish all of you the very best of luck. Remember, I'm here if you need help. Leading up to the final, even once you get out of this class, if you have questions or need anything, always feel free to shoot me an email. And I think that's it. So again, if you have any questions, just let me know. And great job this semester on your hard work. I know online learning has not been easy for anyone, so great job with your effort you've put in and all the work you've done. Best of luck to you, and remember, I'm here if you need any extra help. Have a great day.